In today's vlog, we're going to talk about what happened yesterday and what happened today. So if you're interested in seeing what happened, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, yesterday was my birthday, so I didn't go walking and I kind of chilled. Well, my plan was to chill and we were going to go out to dinner. But the unspeakable or unthinkable happened. My husband got ran over by the car. So we ended up at the ER and we were there until I think 2 o'clock this morning. Yeah. Remind you, those chairs are hard. And we were there till 2 o'clock this morning. We made it home about 2:30, maybe 2:45. We made it home. And then we had to be up this morning and dressed and ready to leave out this house at 6 a.m. so he could go to this specialist doctor so they can check the circulation in his legs. Mind you, my husband is a diabetic and he's been having a calcium buildup and it's causing nerve damage and whatever in his legs, so they want to check his legs. So we couldn't miss that appointment. So we were up. We got to bed at 3 o'clock, 3:15. Popped right back up at 5:45 to get dressed and get on the road to get from where I am in Atascocita, which is a suburb of Houston, and drive all the way to the Woodlands, which is on 45 North, and we're on 59. So we had to drive through traffic and get on 45. If any one of you live here in Houston, you know what 45 is like in the morning. And we had to go to the Woodlands. When I say traffic was yeah. We got to his appointment. Excuse me. He's supposed to be there at 7. We got there at like 2 after 7. Thankfully, they gave him a 5-minute grace period or we'd have wasted the trip. Got his test done, got back home, got him to dialysis this morning. They squeezed him in this morning so he could have his dialysis that he missed yesterday. So he is at dialysis and I am here at home. So my birthday was spent in the ER. But I do want to thank everyone for the well wishes and the happy birthdays on Instagram and on Facebook and on YouTube. And then my family members, my immediate family, what we do every year is, if we can, we always call everybody for their birthday. We either sing birthdays or, just happy birthday and have a conversation with them. Excuse me, my allergies. So all my siblings, my 2 younger nieces, they call me. My grandbabies, they call me, and my children. So it was really nice, and my family, immediate family, called me and wished me a happy birthday yesterday. And so as soon as I wrap this up, I am going to start on, well, I need to run some errands. I need to take this paint back so I can paint my china cabinet and curio. So I need to take this paint back today. Ain't no way around it. I need to take this paint back. And once I do that, then I will share with you as I do the still adding on to this house. We will be here a year in 2 weeks. We'll be here a year. And I've got some things accomplished, but not as much as I wanted to, because dealing with, health issues of my husband and my parents. And so I have got some things accomplished, but not as much as I would, but I have some things done and got some things organized, and I'm really proud of that effect. But I have plans that after we deal with what we're going through now, I want to go ahead and address the issue with the former dining room. I want to do the ceiling and paint the china cabinet in Hutch. Like I said, I want to get 6 new chairs to put at the table, and I'm looking for a bigger glass top. I want it to be, I think it's 75 by 45 or 74 by 45. I want it to be bigger so you have enough arm room with 6 chairs. But neither that or there. But I just want to let you know that I have not been walking yesterday or today, and I will pick up my walking tomorrow. I didn't even we you know what, we ate fast food last night sitting at the hospital, and this morning I stopped by and picked him up with hotcakes and sausage from McDonald's on the way here. That's what he wanted to eat, so he ate that on the way to dialysis. And I'm telling you, when I say a girl is tired right now and needs a nap, this girl is tired and needs a nap. And on top of that, the starter went out on the car. So now I have to find a starter, and the one for that car is going to cost me $156, the starter alone, and now I have to find somebody to put it on. So I always say, if you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. And my plans that I had for this weekend and for this week, he laughed at me hard. So hopefully I can pick back up in the morning, and Lord's will, and I can do the walking. And I also found the walking park over here in my subdivision. So now I'll walk to the walking park and walk around it a couple of times and then make my way back home. I think once I do that and go to the walking park and get used to that walking park, I think I'll be able to get my, I'm trying to get 5,000 steps. So if I can do that and get my 5,000 steps there, I'll be doing good. And then next week I'll move it up to try to get 6,000 steps, and so forth and so on. The ultimate goal is 10,000 steps. So we'll see how that works. Your girl is really trying to get things together to get healthier and also to get my house in order. So again, I'm sorry that we didn't go walking today and cook the breakfast, the whole nine, but your girl is tired. And I did not want to not say anything today. So again, thank you all for the birthday wishes, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.